أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يرفع الله الذين آمنوا منكم والذين أوتوا العلم درجات. We have the great pleasure of welcoming the most respected Ustad, Dr. P.S. Syed Masood Jamali, Professor and Dean, School of Arabic and Islamic Studies, B.S. Abdul Rahman, Present Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. He is regarded as one of the most distinguished academicians in the fields of Arabic and Islamic studies, particularly in the areas of Islamic jurisprudence and translation. His time management, discipline, hard work, and dedication are well known. His early life and education. He was born in Kadayanallur in 1947. He graduated Alim Jamali in 1967 from Jamali Arabic College, Chennai, then Fazil Jamali in 1969, then Afzalul Ulama in 1972, graduated BA English in 1975 from University of Madras, then MA Arabic in 1978 and PhD in Arabic in 2006. His academic experience. He began his teaching career at Jamali Arabic College, where he graduated because his principal Maulana Abdul Wahab Bukhari Sahib, the former principal of the new college, recommended it. He worked as a teacher at Jamalia for 3 years. Maulana was a visiting faculty member at the new college in 1971 at the invitation of Professor Dr. Syed Ali, head of the Department of Arabic, the new college. He handled classes for MA Arabic degree program. Maulana Masud Jamali taught Arabic at the Crescent School in Mandalore from 1972 to 1979. He was a member of one of the first academic groups to develop the Crescent lifestyle with modern education in an Islamic setting. During that time, the founder Al-Hajj Dr. B.S. Abdul Rahman showed his foresight in establishing an Arabic college to promote exceptional ulama through the integration of Islamic studies and modern education. He has almost 20 years of international expertise as a translator and interpreter. Establishment of Bukhari Alim Arabic College. Maulana Masud Jamali returned to the Crescent campus in Mandalore in late 1999 to carry out Dr. B.S. Abdul Rahman's vision. Maulana had undertaken a monumental job and he had successfully constructed a model institution, Bukhari Alim Arabic College, which combined Islamic academics with modern education. In 2009, a portion of this institution became the B.S. Abdul Rahman Crescent University's School of Arabic and Islamic Studies, and Maulana was appointed as its professor and dean, in addition to his role as the founding head of Arabic College. Dr. Masood Jamali has been instrumental for the development of Bukhari Alim Arabic College. Programs convened by Dr. Masood Jamali. Ustad Dr. P.S. Syed Masood Jamali has organized many academic events, including national and international conferences, workshops, and special lectures on a variety of topics. He selects themes that are more relevant to contemporary requirements and publishes the conference proceedings at the same time. He organizes the conferences and ensures that they are up to pace with the international standards. His research and publications. He has 15 research papers published in reputable publications. He has given talks at academic conferences all around the country. 3 candidates have finished their PhD studies under his guidance, while 4 more are in the process. Many textbooks for schools and universities have been written by him. In 2018, he was awarded the Saadullah Appa Literary Award for one of his books. He was also honored with the Bharat Jyoti Award for his remarkable contributions, achievements, and services. Countries and foreign universities visited by him. Maulana traveled to numerous nations, including the United States, Turkey, Egypt, Libya, Sudan, Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and Thailand. His extension activities. Apart from his membership in government bodies and universities, Maulana Dr. Masood Jamali has been involved with a variety of organizations. Thus, Maulana Dr. P.S. Syed Masood Jamali has committed his life to teach Arabic and strengthening younger generations by instilling moral principles in them, nurturing them into true citizens, and promoting national unity. May Allah accept his efforts and services and graciously reward him. Ameen.